Kangerlussuaq, Greenland, Antarctica. Glacier, sea levels rising. Another area in the world that is being affected by climate change is the city of Kangerlussuaq, located in Greenland. Kangerlussuaq is home to the famous ice cap, also known as the Greenland Ice Sheet. This region is being affected by the world's climate change because of the glaciers and the impact that they have when melted or damaged. Kangerlussuaq is vulnerable because of the ice cap. This ice cap is also the only one that has a road that leads directly to the glacier. Glaciers' ice caps are now one of the most sensitive environments in the world, and this is due to climate change. The environmental impacts that are affecting this biome is that the temperatures are rising, causing this glacier plus other glaciers in other regions to melt. This is overall bad news because when that glacier melts, the runoff from those ice caps increase the ocean water by quite a lot, which then causes sea levels to rise. Hypothetically speaking, if all the glaciers would melt, or even a good-sized portion, the sea level would rise about 200 feet, affecting coastal regions around the world to cover the land near the water. Regions can include countries and cities. Globally, this would decrease their land and affect the people in those areas. The world is already at a high population, so if the population were to keep increasing, plus the land would be covered because of the ice caps, then this would affect many communities around the world. As a community in Kangerlussuaq, the glacier also acts as a reservoir throughout the summer. When the ice melts, the runoff continues throughout the dried months of the year, which also affects nearby environments within the community. At the moment, the community in Kangerlussuaq is just watching the glacier over a period of time to see the shrinkage of the years. This ice cap currently isn't causing damage directly to its community, but it's definitely important to keep an eye on and try to figure out what ways to reduce global warming before sea levels rise. Although this ice cap isn't causing deep harm to the community and nearby environment, we must also keep in mind that the melting of the glacier may also cause temperatures in nearby streams, rivers to change. This can be bad because then this can also have a huge impact to the point where nearby habitats can be harmed due to the change in temperature. There are no other solutions for us to stop the glaciers from melting other than us globally reducing our carbon footprint and more.